Howdy, Chef Pete is here, and you know what? Today on the menu in Carpizzo's Kitchen, Chef Pete is making grilled lamb burgers. All right, I got some lamb in here, I've got some onion, some minced garlic, I have got an egg, and here we go. Down here now on the board, I'm gonna add some more things. I'm gonna add about a little better than a quarter of a cup of this beautiful breadcrumbs. And then I'm gonna come over here and add us, maybe a quarter of a teaspoon of pepper. So we have some pepper in here. Okay, some salt. Lamb likes salt just like it likes garlic. So get, a good half teaspoon in there. Some oregano. Let's add some oregano because we are making grilled lamb burgers and lamb likes oregano. Here we go. Let's give it a good teaspoon of that. Okay. All right. Alrighty. So then, because we're making this with a Greek twist, everybody, I've got mint. This is mint, and we're gonna go right into this bowl with a good tablespoon of mint. But you add little or more that you like, depending on your taste. We like mint in our family. And then some parsley. Let's get a good teaspoon of parsley too. Okay, there we go. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do is mix this up, and when we come back, we'll continue on, get these on the grill, we'll mix this up, shape them up, get them on the grill, and we'll get them going. So this is Peter Carpizzo's out.